In the business sector, the terms innovation and entrepreneurship are sometimes used interchangeably. Some people may believe they mean the same thing, but using them interchangeably is a major error. While they are both based on the same concept, it is critical to recognize the differences. Both innovation and entrepreneurship are distinct phrases with distinct meanings. However, there is a correlation between innovation and entrepreneurship, which might lead to misunderstanding. The fundamental contrast between innovation and entrepreneurship is that innovation entails the creation of something new. It might be a concept, a product, a model, or a service. Making a fantastic concept into a business opportunity, on the other hand, is entrepreneurship. Innovation is the starting point for entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship entails a level of risk that is not present in invention. Let's take a closer look at both words to see what the differences are. Innovation. Introducing something new is what innovation entails. It might be a concept, a product, a model, a process, or a service. An example of innovation is the introduction of new equipment that can lower power usage by a certain percentage. Creativity and innovative ideas are required for innovation. Innovation may not always imply invention. Innovation may bring about change and provide value to a product or service that already exists. Economic changes, technical developments, new information, new markets, and so on are all causes of innovation. These factors prompt a person to consider developing a new product, service, or business process. Innovation aids firms in remaining strong and competitive in the marketplace. Innovating does not entail any danger. Entrepreneurship. Taking a risk to turn a fantastic concept into a business opportunity is what entrepreneurship is all about. Entrepreneurship recognizes the commercial potential of brilliant ideas and adds a measurable value to the invention. Entrepreneurs are constantly on the lookout for new ideas and do not limit themselves to a single sort of invention. Entrepreneurs seize the chance and turn it into a profitable business. They must be able to plan, make decisions, manage, lead, motivate, and take risks. Entrepreneurship is usually the product of hard work, dedication, and taking risks. Differences. Entrepreneurship is the process of starting and growing firms that give answers to market issues. Innovation is the process of coming up with new ideas and putting them into action. There are three types of innovation: incremental, evolutionary, and revolutionary. Incremental innovations are minor enhancements to current goods, techniques, and services that are created over time. When applied, evolutionary innovations provide new goods, services, and procedures to a current client base. Ideas that, when executed, provide new goods, processes, and services to new markets or customers are referred to as revolutionary innovations. Entrepreneurship is the process of developing profitable enterprises via the application of new ideas. Entrepreneurs can be innovators or not. Creativity, risk-taking, and problem-solving are some of the most critical abilities for innovators, whereas risk-taking, hard work, self-confidence, and self-motivation are some of the most important skills for entrepreneurs. Along with cognitive capabilities, innovators employ the 5 discovery skills of associating, inquiring, experimenting, observing, and networking to produce ideas. Entrepreneurs and innovators both take chances, but the former take commercial risks, while the latter takes risks that disrupt the market's established goods, services, and procedures. Entrepreneurs must believe in themselves even when the rest of society does not. They must find drive from inside, and they must devote long hours to their firms for them to be successful. The success of their ideas motivates innovators, and they like the process of developing new methods, goods, and services. Entrepreneurs, on the other hand, like founding and growing profitable and long-lasting firms that answer society's everyday concerns. Entrepreneurs are usually wealthier than innovators. While innovators might come up with brilliant ideas that, when adopted, can upend the status quo, they lack the abilities to turn those ideas into profitable enterprises. Entrepreneurs, on the other hand, may lack original talents but possess the ability to turn new ideas into massively profitable enterprises. Entrepreneurs build long-term wealth through their businesses. To expand their company, entrepreneurs must have both inventive and entrepreneurial talents, as well as the ability to acquire personnel with the necessary skills. Otherwise, the company will fail, like many organizations did when it lacked innovation and saw its market share plummet over time. Finally, while entrepreneurship and innovation are comparable in some respects, they are vastly different in others. To begin with, entrepreneurship entails creating and running a firm, whereas innovation entails developing new goods, services, and processes. Second, entrepreneurship is motivated by a desire to address social issues, whereas innovation is motivated by a desire to learn new things. Finally, entrepreneurship brings in more wealth than invention. Till next time. BM Project.